Hi, I'm going to show you how to configure a successful review requesting sequence. So by default, if you send an email to your customer, only about 4% of them will leave a review. But we have a number of things like incentives, reminders that you can configure here in this menu that will increase this likelihood to about 8, 10, even 12% if you do everything right. So even before you start, the first thing that you want to do to increase your chances of getting a review is configure your DNS records. DNS records are basically about setting the domain of the emails that we send to your customers as to be your domain, not that they are sent via Opinew. If that's the case, those emails are likely to be delivered to spam or promotions folder. So if you want to set up your DNS records, head over to Account General, scroll down, and configure this menu here. Here you would type in something like review, and then remember, this part doesn't matter that much, but you need to type in your domain here. So in our case, it's opinew.com. And after you click save, you will get those records generated, and you need to head over to your DNS settings and put those records in. If you don't know how to do it, ask somebody who knows, your IT team, hire a freelancer or an agency. If you want to try to do it yourself, we have a few guides on how to do it with Namecheap, GoDaddy, and a few other popular providers, and you can find them in here under this link. So let's head back to the review requesting menu. After your DNS records are configured, then you can finally start thinking about sending emails. First of all, let's think about timing. So you need to, as a first thing, you need to configure the delay after which we will send the email or SMS to your customer from the point of order fulfillment. So when you fulfill it or when you send it. You can be more accurate with this. So you generally want the email to be sent about 2 or 3 days after they get their item delivered. You can be more accurate with this. So if you're using Aftership, you can connect this app to Opinew, and we will actually use the information of when the product got delivered, and then we will wait 2 or 3 days, depending on how you set it, to send the review requesting sequence to your customer. So once you configure timing, it's important to head over here to configure how your emails and SMS is going to look like. But before you even jump here, I recommend you to set a coupon. So basically, you will offer a coupon in exchange for leaving a review, and that message will display inside of that SMS or email, saying that, hey, we will offer you a 5 or 10% discount if you leave a review. So you do it very easily. You set up the coupon here. It will create a coupon inside of your Shopify, and it will replenish it over time. So you never need to worry about them running out. So let's set a 10% coupon, and we recommend anything between 5 and 15%. You don't have to go higher. Between 5 and 15% works very well. You can configure the entire coupon here. So let's click create. Very basic coupon got created, 10% off on all orders. So once you have that, the ratio goes up from 4% to about 8%. So you literally get twice as many reviews written if you offer a coupon. So now let's head on and over here to see how we can configure the actual email. So if you go here, you can configure your subject, preview text. For subject, I suggest to customize it with merge tags to be more relevant to the customer, because you want to optimize it to have good open rate. And good open rates means that the email is relevant to a user. So let's say if you can add their name there, so you get curly braces customer name. If you put it here, this will be automatically changed to the appropriate customer's name. So that's how you use merge tags. That's how you configure the subject. The preview text is basically the preview of the entire email. If you don't have it, it will just display whatever is first here written, but you can customize it. So for example, if you offer a coupon, you can actually show them that you're offering them a coupon before they open the email. So this is very powerful. you wanna include something like this in the preview text or inside of a subject. So if you want to configure the actual body of the email, you go over here, open up the email body. Everything that you change here will be reflected on the right. As you can see, it's dynamically changing. All you need to do is save. You can choose your shop logo. So this is where the logo is placed. You can upload it here and it will be in all of your emails. Coupon incentive. So you can see those magical double square braces. This part will only display when you offer a coupon. So you can customize what is the content in here. As you can see, when you press save, it will save, and this is your this is the email that will be sent to your customers. Let's go to SMS. So we recommend our customers to use text messages because they are more effective and opened more frequently. We get tons of emails every day, but SMS is still a very underutilized channel. Everybody's got their phone, they receive a text, they open it. So it's a good chance for you to use to get more of those reviews. And if you click here, similar as with the email, but even easier. This is where you edit your email text, your SMS text. You set them up here to start sending, and here is where you set the limit, the monthly limit of how much money you want to spend on the SMS requests. The next thing that I'm actually not going to go into too much detail, but printed requests are our integration with the order printer apps. So when you print the packaging slip, you can put a QR code in them to ask the person to leave a review already on the packaging slip. So you can configure it here. One more thing. So we are at, if you configured everything well, up until this point, you will get about 7-8% ratio of people leaving reviews. You can increase it by about 1% or 2% more. So you can go up to 10% if you set up a review reminder. So it's basically the same email that gets sent a number of days that you configure here. So this email would basically, if somebody didn't leave a review, they will get reminded 3 days after the first email. So this is your basic email and SMS review requesting sequence. You can also configure what happens after somebody leaves a review. So we have two things that you can do. Is you can configure a thank you page, because so when somebody gets an email here and they click this button, they are taken to a review form. And after they finish writing their review, they are taken to the thank you page. And this is where you can configure it. This is how our looks like. We put our team's photo. You can do the same. You can configure all the text in here to match your branding. If you want, so you're probably looking at the photo reminder. So yes, you can remind your customers to add a photo to their review after they've already written it. If you want to optimize for getting as many photo or video reviews, and you can reward them with a coupon for doing so, for putting that extra work. So let's configure another one. Maybe let's give them a higher one, let's say 20%, to incentivize them. Yeah. So once this coupon gets created, there it is. This email is pretty much the same as the other one that you configured. It just asked your customer to add an extra photo or a video to the review, and once they actually add the video or photo, they will get that extra coupon. And the coupon email that will be sent to them, so it is basically the same one that you configured here, and they will also get the thank you page in here. So thank you page can be configured in the way that it displays the coupon already in here. So let's say you see this bit displays already. It will show your customer a coupon right here on the thank you page if they met the criteria. If you want to take full control over the email templates that we send, you can do so on the corporation plan. So you can go to Advanced Template Editor and switch this on. And then once you go here, you can see that. So this is the review request email. And here you have a fully customizable drag and drop editor. You can do whatever you want in here. Change the buttons, change the add photos, add branding, whatever you want. And the same is the case for the coupon email and photo reminder email. So I hope that helps. If you have any questions or you have any problems configuring this entire sequence, just reach out to us in here on the live support chat. We're available 7 days a week. If you have any problem whatsoever, we'll help you out. Hope that helps. Hope you're going to get a lot of reviews thanks to this sequence.